fix chats will appear here after you send or receive a message problem. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix that. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store and search Instagram. If you find the option of update, go ahead and select that and update the app to the latest version. After that, launch it open and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is open up your settings. Then select Apps. Now select Instagram from here. Now tap on Storage, then select Clear Cache. Now select Clear Data and tap on the Delete option. Once that is done, launch open Instagram, log into your account and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then the next thing you want to do is restart your device. Go ahead and tap on Restart, or you can select Power Off and then power on your phone after some time. Now launch open Instagram and your problem will be fixed. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.